Hello students, in this video we'll talk about the leftover part of our STD. That is, first STD we are going to discuss here is genital herpes. Genital herpes is a viral disease caused by the causative organism of genital herpes is herpes simplex virus type 2, and the symptom of herpes virus is watery blisters are appear on the external genitalia of male or female. इसमें क्या है कि जो एक्सटर्नल जेनिटेलिया है उसके ऊपर फ्लूइड फिल्ड और वाटर फिल्ड जो ब्लिस्टर्स हैं वो अपीयर होते हैं. उसमें क्या है कि अगर एट द टाइम ऑफ पार्चुरेशन अगर ये ब्लिस्टर्स ब्रस्ट होकर ये वाटर जो फ्लूइड है वो रिलीज हो जाता है तो उसमें क्या है कि जो न्यू बॉर्न है ये इन्फेक्शन उस तक चला जाता है और विच में लीड टू द डेथ ऑफ न्यू बॉर्न. एंड द नेक्स्ट डिसीज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इज जेनिटल वॉर्ट्स. Genital wart is caused by human papilloma virus, and the symptom of the virus is the wart-like structures are appear on the outer genitalia of the male, or we can say wart is the outgrowth which appear on the external genitalia, and this virus may lead to cancer of the cervix and may form tumor in vagina or in the external genitalia of male or female. And the next disease we are talking about is vaginal candidiasis. Vaginal candidiasis is a fungal disease caused by Candida albicans, and this infection can be in both male as well as in female. And the last disease is trichomoniasis. Trichomoniasis is a protozoal disease caused by Trichomonas vaginalis. Students, these are the leftover part of STDs, that is sexually transmitted disease. In this video we have talked about two viral disease, one fungal disease and one protozoal disease. The herpes virus is caused by simplex virus, and the genital wart is caused by human papilloma virus, and vaginal candidiasis is caused by Candida albicans, and the last disease is trichomoniasis. Trichomonas vaginalis is the causative organism of this trichomoniasis. Students, I hope this topic of STDs is clear to you. If these videos are helping you in clearing your concept, then please keep share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.